Million Dollar Weekend by Noah Kagan. Core premise: Million Dollar Weekend by Noah Kagan is a practical guide that outlines a step-by-step approach to launching a successful business in a short period of time. Kagan, an entrepreneur and founder of AppSumo, shares his insights and strategies for taking an idea from concept to a profitable venture over the course of a single weekend. Main concepts: idea validation. Kagan emphasizes the importance of validating your business idea before diving into development. He suggests methods such as market research, competitor analysis, and reaching out to potential customers to gauge interest and demand. This step ensures that there is a real market need for the product or service. Rapid prototyping. The book advocates for quickly creating a minimum viable product, MVP, to test the core features and functionality of the idea. By focusing on the essential components, entrepreneurs can gather feedback and make necessary adjustments without investing significant time and resources upfront. Marketing and sales. Effective marketing and sales strategies are crucial for a successful launch. Kagan provides actionable tips on how to create compelling marketing messages, leverage social media, and utilize email marketing to reach and engage potential customers. He also highlights the importance of building a sales funnel to convert interest into sales. Execution and hustle. Kagan stresses the importance of taking action and maintaining a strong work ethic throughout the process. He encourages readers to stay focused, be adaptable, and continuously iterate based on feedback. Persistence and hustle are key factors in overcoming challenges and achieving success. Leveraging resources. The book discusses how to leverage available resources effectively, including online tools, platforms, and networks. Kagan shares his insights on using these resources to streamline processes, reduce costs, and maximize efficiency. Key takeaways. Validate before building. Ensure there is a market demand for your idea by validating it through research and customer feedback. Create an MVP. Focus on developing a minimum viable product to test the core features and gather early feedback. Effective marketing and sales. Utilize various marketing channels and strategies to attract and convert customers. Execution is crucial. Stay focused, adaptable, and persistent in executing your plan. Leverage resources. Use available tools and networks to optimize processes and reduce costs. Practical application. Kagan provides several actionable strategies, including market research. Conduct surveys, interviews, and competitor analysis to validate your idea. MVP development. Identify and build the core features of your product to quickly test and iterate. Marketing plan. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy using social media, email campaigns, and content marketing. Sales funnel. Create a sales funnel to convert leads into customers and drive revenue. Resource utilization. Take advantage of online tools, platforms, and networks to streamline operations and enhance productivity. Million Dollar Weekend is a valuable resource for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to launch a business quickly and efficiently. It offers practical steps and insights to help turn ideas into profitable ventures within a short time frame.